Swing in Seattle, Lindy Hop 2. This was our Frankie month celebration. This class was Frankie Classics week number 5. We took a look at this step. We reviewed the mini dip, which goes
rock, step, down, step, up, triple step, triple step.
We also took a look at handshake behind the back, which we had travel in one line. That would look like this. We're going step, step, triple step, handshake, and triple step, and there we go. Yes. We also did this variation on the kick-ups, adding a little double kick at the end. It looks like Charleston kick, kick and a kick, then rock, step, and you kick, and rock, step. And then we had the break. 5, 6, break, time goes. And there it is. Week number 5. Thank you for supporting and joining us at Swing in Seattle.